Welcome to Gear Grinders, your ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, a versatile adventure bike that's built to conquer both on-road and off-road terrains with ease. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a daily commuter, this bike is designed to take you places you've never been before. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Xpulse 200 a true adventure companion. Design and styling. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 features a rugged and utilitarian design that's built for adventure. It boasts a high-mounted front fender, a tall windscreen, and a sturdy steel frame that can handle the toughest terrains. The bike's ergonomic seat and upright riding position ensure maximum comfort during long rides, while the new color options, including earthy tones and bold graphics, add a touch of modernity to its rugged appeal. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Xpulse 200 lies a reliable 199.6cc single-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance. With an output of 18.4 bhp and 17.1 Nm of torque, this engine offers excellent low-end grunt, making it ideal for both city commutes and off-road adventures. The bike features a 5-speed gearbox that ensures seamless gear shifts, while the long-travel suspension and high ground clearance provide excellent handling and stability on rough terrains. Technology and features. The 2025 Xpulse 200 is packed with modern features to enhance your adventure experience. It comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip details. The bike also features LED lighting, including the headlamp, tail lamp, and turn indicators, which not only look modern but also improve visibility. Additional features include a USB charging port, a luggage rack, and a robust chassis that ensures durability and stability on all types of roads. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is a perfect blend of ruggedness, performance, and technology, making it a strong contender in the adventure bike segment. Whether you're exploring the mountains or cruising the highways, this bike is ready for any adventure. Thanks for watching Gear Grinders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.